We're back. We've got Dem Birds versus Go Birds. Lots of Philly people here repping. Bit of a false start there. Poor Rachel. Mitch is fixing me so I can actually be heard well. Oh, what a great kill by Jill over there in the corner. Go Birds throws 3. Jill gets free with the toe tapper. Good kill play there. Maria with the hops in the corner. Go Birds up balls. Evades all of those in the corner. Oh, Maria, let's go. So Go Birds has really shifted the momentum here. Up players. Marissa running down. Maria has jumped 3 times and has worked every single time this game. Marissa playing by herself over there. She's been here before. All right, we're still 2 players versus 1. Try to throw 2. Oh, and Marissa gets tagged. That was a great game. Momentum shifted like 3 times. So Go Birds is up 2 points. At least it should be. Sam Sayward with the chuck. She throws that ball so hard. I love watching Claire just destroy people with the cloth ball. Oh, Rachel with the deflection, and Forand catches it. It was very fast.
Three players left for Go Birds. Oh, Vargas with the toe tapper. Angie takes over in the corner. The side closest to the camera. Sam Sayward steps out. Angie playing their game. Den Birds takes it. Now it's working, yeah. We got a tie game, 2-2. This is a great game. A little bit of a slow start on the rush. It's okay. Great throw, great block. Oh, almost a catch. Spend 2 on Jill, but Jill gets out of the way very quickly. 3 balls for Den Birds. Ooh. Jill with the counter and gets a tree. Rachel, good honesty. Ball just clipped. Get Maria. Cloth has a way of it being 5 players versus 5 players, and all of a sudden, 3 people are out. Right on the toe there, gets Sam. Angie, last one in. Two balls. Den Birds has 3. Let's see what they do. And a catch. Angie catches Marissa. 2 players. Fawn, a great catch. Got 5 players, it looks like. And Den Birds takes the game. So I think that should be 4-2. I think Den Birds up. Kelsey with the throw against the corner. All right, Go Birds is up players here. Kelsey dodges there. Vargas and Kelsey both try to get out. Go Birds. Does not work. Kelsey and Sam go for a kill left. Fallen dodges. Sam playing fast in the corner. Oh, Vargas with a nice shot. That's a trade. We're still even players, 2-2. Just Vargas. Go Birds up players. Sam and Maria throw it together. Maria gets caught. And it looks like Vargas stepped out, so now it's Sam versus Claire. This is a really interesting matchup. I don't think the score is correct there. Yeah, they're talking about it. I'm not sure what they're mulling over right now. It's probably the score. Gets yeah, I don't think those balls were cleared before they were thrown. A little bit of chaos. Go Birds has burden. Rachel takes a great shot. Rachel's arm is scary. All right, looks like last ball for Go Birds. That's what they do. Dem Birds spends 2, gets Maria. Ooh, little jump there. I love it when it works. 4 balls, 5 balls, all balls. The fastball at Jody, but Jody catches fastballs. Oh, Tree. Making something happen. Oh, with the catch at the line. That was very cool. This is the kind of momentum switch that happens in cloth. All right, we're even players. Go Birds is burden. Both Claire and Jill on Dem Birds have incredible arms. All right, just like that. players has 5 balls. Both miss. Jill throws one. Go Birds with the burden. Good block by Claire. Good block. Oh, what a throw. Good block, good block. Go Birds with the burden. Sam with that sidearm. Oh, Claire dodges a good one from Rachel. Forand with a big throw that just doesn't connect in the corner. Towards the corner, I should say. Oh, what a grab. Oh, Forand. All right, so I'm surprised that they didn't try to kill Rachel there. But it worked, it was effective. Rachel and Angie left for Go Birds. Oh, Claire with a nice grab. Claire and Marissa at the line. They have 4 balls, they're all gonna do it. Rachel dodging very well. Ooh, with a nice throw will end it for Go Birds. Den Birds takes the point. I can't actually see the score, but I feel like it's 8-4, 10-4, something like that. Den Birds. I'm totally making this up, so apologies if I have the score absolutely wrong. Forand with the big throw from their right corner. Tree with the hops. Good throw, good look. Jill takes control. Jill and Forand spend 2. trying to get Rachel out. That's a good call, and they got both those balls back. Go Birds being really slippery. Making sure they're wasting a whole lot of balls. Birds throws 2, neither connect. Oh, almost. Joe with a nice shot. Kelsey, what a grab. Maria sends one to the left corner. Den Birds is up balls and players. Sam with the catch. Looks like she stays in bounds. Marissa gets tagged. Just like that, 4 players for Go Birds. Good block by Caitlin. Great hit that got Fawn. So we've got, 4 players left for Go Birds. That was another game where the momentum just swung a couple different times. Oh, hi, Maria. So they're trying to figure out how much time is left, possibly what the score is. I don't have it here. Everybody's trying to figure out how much time is left right now. And the answer is at least one more game. Big throw. What a catch. Ooh, Jill. Sam and Claire there just daring each other to do something. Oh, Jill lays out for it, but can't bring in the catch. Oh, Kate with a point blank snag. Great catch. Looks like we're done. That was the 90-second game.